A common question I receive from real estate agents or people using Follow Up Boss is, how do I automate when one action plan stops, starting the next one? This video may not be for you. It is a little bit more advanced and it will be fast paced. I am showing this one quick tip in under 5 minutes of how to automate one action plan after another finishes. So first, what you want to do is at the end of an action plan, you want to create a tag. That tag is going to trigger an automation to start the next action plan. So let's take, for example, if I wanted to automate an action plan at the end of a new buyer lead action plan that I've already created. Let me find that one here. And I actually do this because I use the same action plan at the end of all of these, and I did not want to spend the time manually inputting all of these steps into all of them manually, and instead I just created one action plan that was used at the end of a lot of different ones. So what you do is you open up the action plan. Let's use the same tag I use. So I'm going to click add a step, click add tag, and then I'm going to make it unresponsive. And then click save tags and click save. Then what you'll want to do is create the action plan you want to start, which I've already done, and it's my stale action plan. Then you'll want to create an automation to say, okay, at the end of that new lead drip, once that tag is added, the unresponsive tag, then trigger the next automation to start. So under automations, under admin automations, you'll click add automation. Let's call this KTS. KTS is the name of my company, so that's why I do that. Unresponsive. When the unresponsive tag is added, then what I want to happen is to apply the stale action plan. Then you'll click save and save and enable, and that's it. That's how you start one action plan at the end of another. So I use this stale action plan at the end of all of my new lead drips. I've got new lead buyer lead drips, new seller lead drips, new general inquiries, new home valuation requests, and at the end of every one, if the lead's unresponsive, then I trigger this stale action plan to run. And I wanted to avoid the time needed to manually create all of these steps. There's 15 of them, so 15 additional emails at the end of every action plan. That would be so time consuming and take hours, versus this workaround allows me to create one action plan and just add a tag at the end of each of those to start this action plan. And that way, if I make changes or want to add emails to this stale drip in the future, I can just do it to this one action plan and not apply it to the others. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you're looking for other quick tips for how to use Follow Up Boss for its fullest potential, please comment below what you would like to learn. And if you found this helpful and if you're looking for help with Follow Up Boss, that's what my company does, and you can learn more about that in the link in the description.